Pussy will think wouldn't catch you. You think wouldn't bumbo clot catch you. Pussy. Go on, sir. Go on, bumbo clot, sir. Pussy will. You know a bumbo clot, I'm gonna wait for your blood clot kush. Pussy will. Go on, veranda. Go on, sir. Let me kill that in a pussy. Pussy that figure like a bumbo clot today. Your teeth in blood kush. Grow me your blood.
Yes, my people want go on. Yeah, I'm there. Some people may have a video show the guys. And this video will teach now. Right? Teachers will know about bonfire. So now some people run so one of my friend is no friend. It's my say, can't trust them. It's me your back turn. Right? Them take what you have. It's my say, them see what we are plan and kill it. You understand my say? Yeah man. So people want to take in a video still. I want to learn from a video. Yeah man, don't trust friend with this upcoming artist here. It's my say, look at it. He's an upcoming artist. Take it in people.
Pussy will think wouldn't catch you. You think wouldn't bumbo clot catch you. Pussy. Go on, sir. Go on, bumbo clot, sir. Pussy will. You know a bumbo clot, I'm gonna wait for your blood clot kush. Pussy will. Go on, veranda. Go on, sir. Let me kill a blood clot in a pussy. Pussy that figure like a blood clot today. Your teeth in blood kush. Grow me your blood. Grow me your blood. Okay, turn up on that blood. Fuck your boy. Say money them a Eric Bummer. Pussy. They wouldn't blood clot your pussy. No long way. Bumbo you coming up from. What? Hey! You have one key for them, OJ. OJ, put one key. How many blood clot next school on there? Batty boy push. They wouldn't blood clot. Mark it! Marky! Aston! Come here! Get you on blood in the house! Pay your bumbo clot, pay back $300,000 pussy! Oh, you pay back 300,000 pussy! Oh, your blood clot pay back! Aston! Right, come here! I know you take every blood for your pay back. How much you pay back, pussy? I know you take every, so who take everything I do? Remember say I tell me say I do your teeth for money, you know. I'm here in a blood clot house and catch you now. You don't know? The blood clot, I know your pussy get locked up till the bumbo. I go like on a blood clot on a bumbo clot. Marky! Papa must be gone. Hey, me there, I said I pussy me, you know. Type of know say, me go in the bush and me post some blood clot. What mean I bumbo? Say more pay back your blood clot back money. But it quote you make your blood clot and then you take everything. And then you take pussy where you come in the house. So your blood clot come in. Oh, you know, come see this pull. You know, I made it blood key. Oh, we pull, where blood clot. You know, I bumbo key from the stuff and look good turn out. We know say you take your blood, I take you know, but we want blood proof. Cause you tell me about a dopey your teeth blood clot money. Oh yeah, blood clot. Bumbo hole. Hey, should I kill a blood clot in that? You're lucky here. You're lucky in the clot. You know, hey, also you know man, blood what the man take away. All I blood clot money about the house. Right now Charlie gonna bush and the blood clot stress. Catch one boy in the house, a thief. Papa! Papa, forward! Forward! Hey, blood boy, Kush! Where come back there? Kush! Hey, that boy, Kush! Don't tell her what I go on! The blood, hey, in your body blood clot, you left 10 grand from the blood clot table. I mean, then I can't, I'm still take up the blood clot money. I try to give me back. I'm going, like, you're going to pay back for every moment of blood. I know you take everything. You win well, no fun of your blood clot, take everything. Pussy. Both on you. Hey, a pussy, this is me this man, can you know, so me telling you, so me I got a bush, you know. Link your blood clot. I'm here, my blood clot service for me. fucking thief on his own, a nice blood boy. No, me know say blood clot, but me a work, hey, me a work planning to me about a dope you gonna me just go thief me money. You take so much blood clot money, hey, I make sure a bumbo clot call the police them now. A police a take you out of this clot. You think nobody can come and take you out of this? Oh, me a get back your money. Then call man, call me want the money. Hey, a people blood clot money man a thief from where to house, you know? Bumbo clot. I stand me say we miss some blood. Yeah, Christian, we miss some money I say I stand. And we hide in the house and put the money on the table. And he come in the house, me fit me and video him and he come in. The boy here, this a boy here. I tell me say I'm pay way back now. Call I'm going to see when you pay way back. And you understand we take you all away money. Bumbo, yes man. I stand me say, I stand.
You have contractor, you have so much people.
He might tell me say, don't pay a thief, the money out of your house. And hey, me to hurry up because I blood clot police me a call now.
Yeah man, call him man.
Hey, me some man a plan for what here, you know. Hey, me say, I stand, me nan dollar bumbo clot. You know, me house now stand the man thief everything, but me know him, I may say work with him. Because me know me will catch him. Catch him in the house, man. See me, man, we have him for every runner, man. We plan for him for a week, we have planned for this, boy. Yesterday, mosquito nearly killed me in the house yesterday. Yes, man, mosquito nearly killed me yesterday to this, boy.
Hey, no man, I could get some lick man.
No man, he not get no lick man.
Get some lick man.
He not get no lick man.
We have to get some lick man. You can't call us a country man money and everything.
I don't talk about him or pay back. Oh, you pay back?
Hey, no.
Call him. Me know somebody come here, but you know. Me have to work issue with him. He might tell me say I don't pay for money. So me tell him say yes, me know say I don't pay.
No man, no.
Eh?
No.
Look up me say. Me deal with this boy a good, you know.
Good boy, you know, I'll begin to just cry to blood clot. No, I'm not from boy this blood.
Yeah man, my people, I hope you see this video and thing and see the video and thing and learn from the video and thing. It's massive people. You see me? Yeah man. People, I want to know this. No matter how you treat some people good, you know. You're kind to them. You look out for them. You work for the best for them. It's not say, and them people that come stabbing their back. You hear that? And that man make you know. You help them and them help breaking you down. They bring you down. You understand what I say, people? Yeah man, you have some people, you make sense to try and help them because, you know, you build an enemy. Right? You build an enemy against you right there. That person will become your enemy. You understand what I say? The people, yeah man, that person, you know, we are go all out final. That person become your enemy. One of your biggest enemy too. Yeah man. People, don't trust everyone they call them, say, una and them are friend. You understand what I say? Yeah man, up top man. So I think said